Theme park engineers are responsible for designing, maintaining, and repairing rides and attractions to make sure they are safe and working properly. They work behind the scenes on roller coasters, water rides, and other mechanical systems, checking for faults and carrying out regular inspections. Some engineers focus on new ride design, while others deal with day-to-day operations, making quick decisions if a ride breaks down. The job combines mechanical, electrical, and sometimes software engineering, with a strong focus on safety. A trainee or junior engineer might earn around £20,000 to £25,000 per year, while more experienced engineers can earn between £30,000 and £45,000. Senior engineers or those in management roles could earn £50,000 or more, especially if they work for a large theme park. Engineers working shifts, weekends, or nights might also earn extra pay. To become a theme park engineer, a qualification in engineering, such as a Level 3 extended diploma in engineering or an apprenticeship in a relevant field, is usually required. Some people take an engineering degree, such as mechanical or electrical engineering, especially if they want to go into design or leadership roles. Practical skills, problem-solving ability, and safety awareness are very important. Many engineers start in general maintenance or mechanical jobs before moving into theme parks.